Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. I love December. Maybe you can see it, how nice it is. And this is a perfect month for family and friends. That's the reason why this video is dedicated to Michela Colombero, a ketogenic friend. She shared this easy and yummy recipe. So we will go together to prepare her dish. It's not really a dish, it's a ketogenic treat, perfect for this season because it will make you feel warm, welcome, and you can prepare this for people coming and visiting you. It's fun and it's super easy. So let's go together to cook. To prepare this yumminess, you will only need 60 grams of butter. Michela uses the ghee, the clarified butter, then 250 milliliters of heavy cream, the liquid one. After that, erythritol as much as you like, and I highly suggest the powdered one, and at the end some vanilla. This is the flavor of vanilla that they sell in Italy, but you can use also the essence or the seeds as you prefer. Just use the vanilla that you have at home because it will taste amazing anyway. And this is me stopping my husband from video bombing this recipe. He never think about it and he walk around like he's free, but he's not free and we all know it. But let's start the preparation. It's truly easy. We just have to warm together the ingredients. So we will start with the heavy cream, then we will add the powdered erythritol. I have to tell you that sometimes it's harder to find powdered erythritol. But if you have a good blender, you can put the normal erythritol, the granulated one, into your blender and blend it. It will become a powder, so no problem at all. Then we add the butter. I don't know how it will work. I know Michela used the ghee. I don't have the ghee today, so this is unsalted butter. And finally, after being able to open this little thing, I will put also together the vanilla essence, extract. I don't know how to call you. This is an aroma, very strong vanilla aroma. And we start cooking it till the boiling time. And then I will tell you what happens. Now there is the boring part because we have to stay here and stir quite often. So I will show you the rest of our meal. I will show you the starter and then the main dish, so you can see what we eat. Many times people ask me if I only eat the little part that I show on video. No, I don't. That's just one dish. But our meal is made usually by a starter, a main dish with the vegetables also, and then also the dessert. It depends. Sometimes it's just a coffee or whipped cream. Sometimes it's something more delicious, like this time that we will have Michela's dessert. Today we will start our lunch by eating some arugula salad with a beef tartare. In this case it's raw meat, so the quality is truly important. Then I will put in the middle some smoked mozzarellas. Everything is seasoned just with salt, pepper and extra virgin olive oil. So super easy, super yummy and very ketogenic. If you notice that I'm moving in a very strange way, like a robot, I have to tell you that this is the disaster of the day. You know, I'm not a very good YouTuber and this time I put the video in time lapse. So I recorded a very super fast video that it was not watchable because it was not understandable. You couldn't see what I was doing. So I have to slow this time lapse to a very low movement, and this is the result. I apologize. I hope you can understand that I'm doing my best, and the recipes, because today I will show you 3 recipes, are really very good. And now Michela suggested to cook it at least 20 minutes, starting the count of the time from the boiling point. I have to tell you that I didn't cook it for such a long time because I was a little bit late. As you know, the starter is already on the table and there is a surprise into the oven. So I think I stir it and cook it for about 10 minutes, but it was delicious anyway. Michela called it latte condensato, condensed milk. But I think it tastes more like white chocolate. I don't know if it's because I cook it less time, but in both cases this is truly delicious. But let's go on with our lunch. And after my hidden husband, I can show you the second surprise of this video, and they are skewers. That's a great option because it's so easy to prepare them that you can do everything else without even worrying about them. And I will tell you how to do it. I suggest to buy them ready at your butcher or at your supermarket because it's very easy to find good skewers, and then to cook them at 220 degrees Celsius, that are approximately 440 Fahrenheit, during 50 minutes. But there is a tip: they should be a little bit separate from the plate, a little bit over the plate, because sometimes usually they release some liquid and we don't want boiled skewers. So put them a little bit higher and then cook them for quite a long time. Meanwhile, you can prepare the rest of your lunch. As you can see, the starter looked great. The dessert is amazing, and I want to thank you, Michela, for this. And we can enjoy all together the meal without a person being there cooking and the other eating. So it's really practical and super ketogenic and truly delicious. I really hope you liked today's video and you will consider subscribing to my channel. I don't know if you can still see this because I cannot see how is the video, but it's super fun. Look at this. I love it. Anyway, if you subscribe, we can meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English, or also at 2 o'clock Italian time on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish, and at the same time the same video in Italian but on Friday. I hope you understood because it's a little bit confusing. Monday in English, Wednesday in Spanish and Friday in Italian, 2 o'clock Italian time. So I will wait for you. I hope you will subscribe. Thank you all and bye bye.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.